Hello everyone. Welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm Ava, and I'll be delivering all the latest news happening in the crypto space. For our top stories, market analyst predicts XRP's price may rally to a new high of $9. Greed takes over crypto market as Bitcoin maintains its price at $30,000 level. Bitcoin no longer correlated to US stocks, according to Block Scholes. BlackRock's CEO states Bitcoin could revolutionize finance. Pepe spikes 5% as analysts discuss if it can reach $1. For our first-time viewers, Ava Talks Crypto is a channel dedicated to delivering all the latest and trending news stories happening in the crypto space. We also deliver the latest market data on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and trending altcoins in our daily market report videos to help you formulate your next trading strategy in the crypto market. Before we begin, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Doing these things goes a long way toward helping and encouraging us to keep making quality content for you to enjoy. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You can also share our videos with your friends who may be interested, and let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss the headlines. First up, we have a market analyst predicting that XRP's price may rally to as high as $9. The XRP is currently recovering from its decline after the SEC crackdown in June. Holders of the token are still awaiting the verdict in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, which is looking more and more in favor of Ripple Labs. The XRP price suffered a steep decline after the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs in 2020. It also took another hit after regulators cracked down on cryptocurrencies in 2023. XRP plummeted by as much as 10.42% in the week following the SEC's crackdown in June. Since then, XRP's price has started to recover and is currently trading just below the 50 cents level. A famous crypto analyst known as CoinKid started evaluating the XRP price chart and identified indicators that signaled a rally in the altcoin. After analyzing the monthly price chart, CoinKid discovered that a crossover between a 10 and 20-day exponential moving average, or EMA, usually follows a price rally in the asset. In 2017, XRP's 10 and 20-month EMAs crossed the so-called Golden Cross, which marked the start of a price rally in the altcoin. CoinKid also noted a 720% increase in XRP's price. According to the analyst, if history repeats itself, another Golden Cross would trigger a massive price rally for XRP, with prices reaching $9. The rally for XRP is already starting, but many experts believe that a significant rally will occur after the conclusion of the SEC versus Ripple Labs lawsuit. It's likely that the court will decide in favor of Ripple Labs. In other news, greed takes over the crypto market as Bitcoin maintains its price at the $30,000 level. Market analysts claim that a number of factors are primarily responsible for the increased greed in the market. These factors include institutional BTC accumulation, 2 consecutive green quarters, and positive on-chain metrics. Market sentiment is showing that crypto investors have renewed their confidence and bullishness in Bitcoin. At the moment, the world's largest cryptocurrency continues to trade within range of the $31,000 mark. According to the Fear and Greed Index, greed has taken over the market. Investors are getting comfortable with Bitcoin at its current price. The Fear and Greed Index is a tool used to evaluate market sentiment by analyzing key factors. These factors include market momentum, volatility, social media trends, and the dominance of Bitcoin. The scale used is from 0 to 100, where 0 is interpreted as extreme fear and 100 is extreme greed. One of the key factors fueling greed in the market is institutional Bitcoin accumulation. Over the past few months, prominent institutional players, including major corporations and financial institutions, have been actively acquiring Bitcoin as part of their investment strategies. The wave of institutional adoption means that it validates Bitcoin as a store of value while also signaling institutional confidence in its long-term potential. The idea that Bitcoin can serve as a hedge against inflation is what is driving institutional investors to accumulate the digital asset. It also provides diversification in traditional investment portfolios. The institutional accumulation of Bitcoin also contributed to the positive sentiment surrounding it. This has drawn the attention of many retail investors seeking to capitalize on the growing institutional interest. This type of behavior in the market is an indication of a bull run. Institutional accumulation, positive on-chain metrics, and 2 consecutive positive quarterly performances increase interest in Bitcoin, which also increases the appetite for risk with the potential for substantial returns. Reports also noted that investors and traders are confident about their spot positions as they are unwilling to sell at a loss. Up next, crypto analytics firm Block Scholes says Bitcoin is no longer correlated to US stocks. According to data tracked by crypto derivatives analytics firm Block Scholes, the 90-day rolling correlation between Bitcoin and Nasdaq is now at the lowest level observed since July 2021. What this means is that Bitcoin's fortune is no longer tied to sentiment in the US stock markets. According to Andrew Melville, a research analyst at Block Scholes, Bitcoin is now at its lowest level observed since July 2021, when it was between its twin peaks in April and November. Melville added that the fall in correlation has happened as both assets have recouped losses sustained throughout last year's tightening cycle. The reduced correlation with traditional risk assets means that crypto traders who are focusing solely on macroeconomic developments and traditional market sentiment may face disappointment. Recent talks about spot Bitcoin ETF filings by BlackRock, WisdomTree, Fidelity, Invesco, Van Eck, and others have brought optimism to the crypto market regardless of the macroeconomic situation. Since BlackRock's filing for a spot Bitcoin ETF on June 15, Bitcoin has produced a return of 25%, ignoring the range-bound activity in the US stock indices. In related news, BlackRock's CEO, Larry Fink, stated that Bitcoin could revolutionize finance. Fink stated that crypto, specifically Bitcoin, could revolutionize the financial system. According to Fink, they believe that if they can create more tokenization of assets and securities, which is what Bitcoin is, the world of finance will be changed. Previously known to be a skeptic of crypto, Fink suggested years ago that Bitcoin is a type of asset class used mainly for illicit activities. Now, Fink is a staunch advocate of Bitcoin and has even suggested investing in crypto instead of gold as a hedge against inflation. He added that Bitcoin is an international asset and it's not based on any one currency, which means that it can represent an asset that people can use as an alternative. BlackRock's application for a spot Bitcoin ETF is already being processed. Fink hopes that they can work with regulators to get the filing approved. To wrap things up, the Pepe meme coin has risen by 1% in the past 24 hours. Now trading at $0.0000175, it has gained 10% in the past week. Pepe was up by as much as 5% at one point. The spike in its price is in contrast with the cryptocurrency market as a whole, which barely moved today. The meme token is up by 88% in the past 2 weeks and by 37% in the last 30 days. With momentum back on its side, analysts are predicting that Pepe could see further rallies in the coming weeks. There's a potential that the price will lose several decimal places, which would be very lucrative to a lot of people who have invested in the meme coin. Pepe's indicators suggest that the coin's rally could continue for a while. With its 30-day moving average climbing further above its 200-day average, there's a big chance that we'll see more massive price movement from this crypto asset. On top of this, Pepe's support level is showing increasing strength. This is enabling the meme coin to push forward from an increasingly high base. There are also whales that are currently banking on further Pepe gains, with one large transaction showing a transfer away from Binance to a private wallet. There's a chance that the price of Pepe may fall sooner or later once whales decide to take their profits. However, it's hard to say when this could happen. Pepe looks like it could rally again in the near future, but we have to remember that the token is already more than 3,000% up compared to its lowest recorded price on CoinGecko. Arguably, experts are saying that the best rallies for Pepe are already over. While the community is saying that Pepe may reach $1, market experts are skeptical. We may see more price increases in the next few weeks, but reaching $1 may be wishful thinking. These are all the news stories we have for you today. Don't forget to check out our daily market report videos for a more detailed look at the crypto market. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.